Good morning students. We hope you are staying home and staying safe. For the meantime, till the schools are not allowed to open, we will study through the videos. Today we will study Maths of class 6, chapter 1, knowing our numbers, exercise 1b. Now let's start. Now, question number second, first part. Write the following numbers in Indian place value chart, also write their names. So how can we write this number as? We can read it as ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakhs. We can read it as 34 lakh 28,957. Now we have to show it on a place value chart. So it is an Indian place value chart divided into 4 periods: ones, thousand, lakhs and crores. Ones is divided into 3 periods: ones, tens, 100. Thousand divided into 2 periods: thousands, 10,000s. Lakh is divided into 2 periods: lakhs, 10 lakhs, then crores, crores and 10 crores. Now first is our 7, so we put 7 in ones place. Then it is 5, so we put 5 in tens place. Then it is 9, put in 100 place. Then 8 will come on thousands place. Then 2, which will come on 10,000 place. Then 4 will come on lakhs and 3 will come on 10 lakhs. Now second part. Six zero two eight five four three one. How can we read it? Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. It means 6 crore 2,85,431. Now 6 crore 2,85,000 431. Now you have to place the numbers on a place value chart. Now 1 will come on ones place, 3 on tens place, 4 on 100,000 place, 100 plates. Then 5 on 1000 place, 8 on 10,000 place, 2 on lakhs, 0 will on 10 lakhs, and last is 6, which will come on crores. So this is the Indian place value chart. Now move to the next question. Question number third. Write the place value of the marked digits in the following numerals. In first digit we have to find the place value of 8 and 6. Now 8 is on which place? Ones, tens, 100,000 and 10,000. So 8 in the place of 10,000. Now how can we write it? Place value of 8 in 3, 2, 8, 5, 1, 3, 6. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. 32 lakh 85,136. Now 8 is on which place? Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. Now so place value of 8 in 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now place value of 6 in is 6. Now one easy way to find place value, is 8, remaining becomes 0, 0, 0, 0. Place value of 6. Now write the same digit below the whose place value is to be find and write 0 below the other digits till one's place. Rest of the part you can do it as a homework. Now move to the next question, question number 4. Question number 4. Write the expanded form of the following numerals. So we have to expand the following number 3028516. Now how can we expand it? No. Ones, tens, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Means we can write it as a 3 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 0. Plus here it is 0, so no need to write it, not 2 into 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 8, 1, 8 and how many zeros? 1, 2, 3 plus 5 into 100. Now plus 1 into 10, then plus 6 into 1. We can write it as in this form. It is our expanded form of the number. Now rest of the part you can do it as a homework. Now move to the next question, question number 5. Write the short form of the following. We have to write the short form of these expanded numbers. How can we write it? By adding these numbers. Now add these numbers. 3, how many zeros? Count them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros. So write 71, 2 3 4 5 6 7 0. Next 5 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 0. 6 zeros 1 2 3 4 5 6 0, then 5. Next is 8. How many zeros? 1 2 3 4 5 zeros. 1 2 3 4 5 zeros, then 8. Now next 7 1 2 3 4 zeros. 1 2 3 4 zeros, then 7 within 70,000. Now it is 3 0, then 8. Then 900, then 60, and then 7. Then 7. Now add these numbers. This is ones place, this is tens place, this is hundred place, this is thousand place, this is 10,000 place, this is lakh, this is 10 lakh, and this is crore. Now add, you will add these numbers. All these are 0 and 7. It will become 7, and this will become 6 0 0 0 will become 6. When we add 0 to 9, it will become 9. Same here, this will become 8, this will become 7, this will become 8, and this will come here directly 5, and this 3, and this is 8 7 8 9 6 7. So we can write these numbers in short as this. We can read out ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Now we can read it as 3 crore 58 lakh 78,967. This is the answer. Now question number 6. Write the following numbers in the international place value chart. Also write their names. Now as we have done question number 2, we have to write it on a Indian place value chart. Now in question number 6 we have to write the numbers in a international place value chart. So you have already learned it, so you can do it as a homework. Now move to the next question, question number 7. Write the following numbers in the international form. Okay, 39,04,964. We have to write it as a international system of numeration. Now we can write it as, we can write this number as 3,900,000 4,964. Now second part, 7 crore 4 lakh 91,075. We can write it as 70 million 400 91,075. 75. Now, third part, we have to write 43 crore 37 lakh 85,754 into international system of numerations. Okay, we can write it 400 33,700,000 433,700 sorry 85,000 700 54. Now question number 8, rewrite the following numbers in the Indian and international system using commas. Now in question number 8 we have given the numbers, we have to rewrite them in the Indian and international system using commas. So we can write it, you can do it as a homework. Question number 8. Now our exercise 1B is completed. We will do next exercise in the next video. Thank you.